Good morning. This is Diana Sescalini. Today is week 3, Monday, September 8th. This is week 3 of our 16-week Moreno Valley Principles of Management class. So here's what's happening this week. This is our first quiz that's going to happen this week. Quiz number 1 covering chapters 1 and 2. Now, quizzes are always due on Sunday night where the homework's due on Monday night, so I don't want you to be confused. There are only 6 quizzes in this whole class. So just make sure you know that it's due Sunday night. I actually put the quiz up on Canvas to take. You can take the quiz twice. It covers chapters 1 and 2. It has 10 multiple choice questions from each chapter. Again, you can take it twice. The best score will apply. There is no time on it. And if you have any difficulty on the quiz, please reach out to me right away. This is not normally how I run my quizzes, but I decided to try it this way, and I want to make sure there's no problems with it. So this week we're starting part 2 about understanding an environmental context of being a manager or managing. So we're covering chapter 3 this week, which is obviously understanding the organization's environment, because it's very important to understand how the organization works. What's the norm for the organization in order for you to manage it well? So homework will be what does it matter, a self-assessment, and learn it from chapter 3. And all that'll be due next Monday, September 15th. There's resources up there. You don't have to use those resources. They're strictly for you. And there is a discussion board this week. So there will not be a discussion board every single week, but there will be one this week. So please make sure you do that. Also, reach out to me if you have questions. Again, there are no exams, only quizzes. I am going to have 2 projects. One is a small project where you'll do a SWOT analysis of yourself. And the other project is where you do a reflective learning about you individually and about your managerial skills. So these classes are really about understanding you understanding you, if that makes sense. Because that's what management is all about, is understanding yourself to be a better manager to others. So again, please reach out to me if you have any questions. Thank you so much for listening to this video.